It's a makeup transformation. Yay! Hello, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! I trust you're popping. If you haven't joined the popping gang, what are you waiting for? Link is down below. Check Mobile Afro Hairdressers and Beauty UK. We are available countrywide, anywhere in United Kingdom. Love, love, love you. Enjoy. See you soon. Okay guys, so at this point we are getting ready to get started. I've already wiped her face. I always like to start with the clean face, then I gave her some Vaseline for her lips. Now I'm applying Prep and Prime from MAC. You guys know that's my favorite. I like it because it's like 2-in-1. It moisturizes the face and also it's like a primer as well. I'm using MAC Studio Fix Foundation NC25. Skin is very important, so I always like to take my time to blend the foundation in. I don't rub and I don't wet my beauty blender as well because this beauty blender is really soft. I apply the foundation all over the face until I'm happy with the coverage. There's no particular amount of foundation you should apply. You have to apply and blend it in until you are happy with your coverage. Some people like medium, some people like full coverage. I'm concealing the under eye. I'm using MAC Prolongwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC15. I just highlighted all the T-zones. Under the eyes, the T-zone, and the jaw area. Now I'm setting with mercier setting powder. This powder is very good for all skin tone, but more especially for light skin. Now I'm using this cream color palette I got from eBay. It's really good. I love it. And then I set it with the powder. So I always like to set it just so it lasts longer. I'm just smoking the under eyes as well with the same pink. She's already popping. So now I'm using Ben Nye glitter glue because I'm gonna apply glitter. So this glitter is more like a pigment. It's from BH Cosmetics. When I don't want the glitter to be harsh, I use a blending brush. As you can tell, the blending brush helps to distribute it all over the eyes. Then I apply a white liner and then I'm going back to smoke the under eyes again. Now I'm gonna apply these beautiful blushes. Also from eBay. You guys, I do a lot of online shopping, so I always like to shop on eBay and Amazon because I don't really go out. So as usual, you guys know I love to use the mineralized skin finish from MAC, and this time I'm using medium plus. Beautiful. The reason why I love to use mineralized skin finish to blend the setting powder is because it gives it that flawless finish, you know, without looking like you have powder under your eyes before, like, you know, that powdery look. It just helps to just eliminate that powdery look. I'm contouring, so I'm using the NC42 Studio Fix powder for contouring. Yes, I'm contouring the nose as well. I'm using that to blend every harsh line as well. On top of the contour, I'm just applying a blush. This one is Rasin from MAC. I'm using that Laura Mercier that I used before to blend everywhere, like all of the face. Guys, now your girl is gonna apply lipstick, and I'm using lip stain from Lime Crime, and I'm using NYS lip gloss on top. You don't always need to buy what I'm using. Like if you have a similar shade of pink, you can achieve this look. You don't really need to buy this lipstick or anything like that. If you have similar color that looks like this, you can achieve this look. Wow, girl, you're popping. Now I'm spraying with Revolution setting spray, makeup Revolution setting spray. Very affordable, and it actually set the makeup. Love, love, love it. The good thing about it is I can just pick it up from my local beauty store. Yes, beautiful. Look at that. Girl, you're glowing, you're popping, you are slaying to the god. Love it. I don't know why I love to use my fingers for this. I don't know. It's not like my finger is actually doing anything. I don't know. I just love to do it. I just find myself doing that. But yeah, using one of the palettes now. Girl, you're slaying. Hey. So highlighter from MAC as well. This one is called Oh Darling. Yes, so yes, I'm using Oh Darling from MAC. This highlighter is beautiful, especially on lighter skin tone. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. This background is not that bad. I don't use this background that often, but I think I like it. It's not that bad, but maybe not as bright as my white background. Love it, but girl, you slay it. And she love it. At this point, she's already loving it. Yes, I'm highlighting the face. The inner corner of the eyes, the tear dots. Wow, that's beautiful. So I'm gonna apply highlighter under the brows because, guys, I'm not gonna be using concealer. Okay, I'm not using concealer, So this is why I'm applying highlighter under the brow, on the highest point of the brow, okay, before I fill the brows in. So I love to apply mascara. This is gonna make her even look more like a doll. Let's fill the brows in. Rimmel brow pencil. This time I'm using just dark brown, so I didn't use two this time, just one color. Dark brown, beautiful. I just realized that I covered the other brows when I was editing. I always do this. When I'm doing makeup, most of the time I cover the makeup I'm doing. Like this is not easy. It's actually not easy filming and doing makeup at the same time, and there's nobody on the other end to help you adjust the camera, you know what I mean? But we're trying, okay? This is why sometimes I don't show you the other side of the face, because most of the time I'm covering that. But I'm just gonna fill that brows in, you know, nothing too strong, just that natural feeling of the face. But yes, this is beautiful. This is, I'm setting the brows with red chestnut. This red chestnut is good. It suits all complexion. If you just want to buy one brow set from MAC, red chestnut is your friend, okay, for all skin tone. And I think they have like 4 shades, but this is my favorite. There's one other one, Girl Boy. I think the Girl Boy is has a little bit of shimmer, but I like this one. So now I'm going back to blend the edges, the brows, and just add the contours. Wow. This look is beautiful, it's effortless, it's glamorous, and it's simple, guys. I really love this look. I had fun creating this look, and my model is just sweetheart. This is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. As you guys know, I'm always in the comment section. She is poppy. Guys, don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the popping gang. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Leave a comment down below, and also share with your family and friends, okay? Love you all. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys. Ooh, girl slay.